Hello students, welcome to VRCT Chemistry. In the today's video, we'll discuss about NEET exam pattern, mark distribution and subject-wise marking of chemistry subject, important topics and tips for the NEET preparation. So in this video, actually what is our goal? To develop the scientific and analytical mind of tomorrow's doctors and engineers. So right now you are in the situation of like this one. So what should be your career after 12th? Either JEE or either NEET. If you are for HSC, you can go with the various, with PCB subject, you can go with the various fields like this one. With PCM, you can go for NDA, B architecture, planning, BE, BTech, technical, entry in the Indian Army. These are the different fields with PCM. These are the different fields with PCB, BMS, BHMS, BDS, MBBS and lots of things. Then we already discussed the JEE exam pattern with 90 questions. So we will not waste our time with this one. JEE paper 1 for 3 hours, 30 questions. JEE mains paper 1 for BE BTech student, and those are interested for B architecture. So that student will go for paper 2. So paper 1 and paper 2 marking scheme and the mode of exam like this one. PCB group NEET examination. So we are right now interested with this NEET one. 45 and 90 questions for biology, 180 marks for physics, 180 marks for chemistry, 360 marks for biology. So biology has 2:1 weightage. 720 marks exam, 3 hours timing will be there. Additional 1 hour for physical handicap student. So you can give this exam in 8 languages. So mode of exam, online exam, objective type of questions will be there. What is the time duration? 180 minutes. What are the subjects? Physics, chemistry, botany and zoology, but biology is divided into botany and zoology. So languages are there. Marking scheme, you will get 4 marks for each correct answer, and 25% will be the negative marking scheme. Same with this JEE. JEE has percentile result. So when you are discussing about the important topics in the NEET examination, so this is your NEET examination. These are the topics for NEET exam. So we'll discuss one by one. When you're discussing about chemistry, the chemistry has been divided organic, inorganic and physical chemistry for your syllabus. So what are the important topics in organic one? In organic chemistry, amines, compound containing oxygen, that is alcohol, phenol and ether. Next to this, basic principles of organic chemistry, biomolecules, hydrocarbon and there is substituents, polymer and F block elements. When you're discussing about inorganic one, D block element, classification of elements, then chemical bonding and molecular structures, coordination chemistry, P block elements. Practically there are some questions will be there, S block elements and states of matter. With the physical chemistry, atomic structure, mole concept, this is very important, mole concept, redox reaction, electrochemistry, thermochemistry, equilibrium, surface chemistry and the nuclear chemistry and kinetics. So these are the important topics with respect to the organic, inorganic and physical chemistry. These are the syllabus actually. Right now NEET examination 2021, the updated exam pattern, section A and section B will be there. Section A contains 35 questions with 140 marks, and section B contains 15. You have to solve any 10. Means 35 plus 15, you have to solve 45 questions with respect to the chemistry subject. You will get 180 marks. So in this year there is a change in question paper. You will get additional questions. You have to solve any 10. Out of 15 you have to 10, means 10 questions you will get additional in the section B. Next to this, we'll discuss about marks distribution according to topic. Inorganic chemistry part 1, that is 22 marks weightage. Chemical bonding, P block, periodic table, hydrogen in S block. So these are the marking scheme. Maximum weightage for chemical bonding. Chemistry part 2, that is inorganic part 2. Coordination compound, D block element, metallurgy, qualitative analysis, organic chemistry part 1. So this is your organic chemistry part 1 has 8% weightage. Hydrocarbons 4%, general organic chemistry 5%. Organic chemistry part 2 26% weightage. Haloalkanes, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, polymer, alkyl halide, aromatic compound, biomolecules, carbonyl compound, organic compound containing nitrogen. So these are having equal weightage near about. So IUPAC again has 4% weightage. Means some questions may be there on the basis of IUPAC. With physical chemistry 17% weightage will be there. So what is your physical chemistry? Physical chemistry, atomic structure, chemical equilibrium, ionic, redox, gas state, mole concept, very important mole question, mole concept, thermodynamics. With physical chemistry part 2 15% weightage. Chemical kinetics has major weightage in the chemistry, electrochemistry, solid state, solutions and colligative properties, and surface chemistry. So these are the topics of chemistry according to the weightage by which you have to focus the exam. Difficulty wise, when you are discussing about the difficulty wise, chemistry is easy subject, but it again divided in easy, medium and difficult one. If you solve these 14 questions and 22 questions, that is also sufficient to achieve maximum marks in the chemistry. So these are the organic, inorganic and physical chemistry in standard 11th and 12th according to the level of question. Best book. Many of the students asking me, so which book is best for the chemistry? When you are preparing for the NEET, state board book and NCERT book, these two books you have to read first of all. Later on you have to go with the inorganic chemistry with J.D. Lee publication, J.D. Lee author, bio and organic chemistry with S.C. Verma, 40 days chemistry for NEET with Sudhanshu Thakur, and ABC chemistry for 11th and 12th with modern publication. So these are the different publications for NEET examinations. Books, preparation of tips for the NEET chemistry. So what are the tips to prepare the chemistry? So initially, what are the important topics that you have to take? Later on you have to focus the some questions. If you are discussing about NEET physical chemistry preparation, you have to go through chemical and equilibrium topic, redox reaction, liquid solutions and electrochemistry. These 4 topics are very important for standard 12th. NEET organic chemistry, GOC, general organic chemistry is important one. In hydrocarbons, alcohol, aldehydes, amines and alkyl halides. If you prepare for aldehyde, ketones, many of the reactions of ketones will be solved. With the inorganic one, you have to go through chemical bond, P block, D block. So P block and D block, D block is very simple. You will not wrong with any questions because D block is very simple one. So questions expected with the difficulty level type, 15 to 20 questions will be there with difficulty level, in which in physical one, inorganic 14 to 18 questions, and with inorganic 10 to 14 questions. With the moderate one, so physical will be moderate. So type of questions will be numerical, direct questions in organic one, and inorganic case you have to solve the tricky questions. Means series are there, you have to arrange the series according to increasing and decreasing pattern. NEET preparation tips for beginners. If you have not started the study even, so these are the tips. You have to follow these tips to achieve maximum marks. So last minute of the preparation tips. In the last month of exam, divide the important topics in adequate preparation type. Carry out with the brief revision followed with the solving of numericals. Solve the maximum question papers. Aim to solve minimum previous previous question paper. Means you have to solve at least one question paper within a day. Analyze your performance, that is very important one, by solving the question which will give your strong and weak areas. You have to carry out your SWOT analysis. SWOT means SWOT. SWOT means strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. These 4 points you have to identify. Do not attempt the question that you are not find the answers. Means if you are not confident with the questions, do not solve this one. start your day with the topics that require highest amount of concentration. Use NCERT book and maximum references. So this is your NEET examinations preparation with their chemistry subject. Thank you.